Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to make canned chicken noodle soup. First, you will need 1 standard can of chicken noodle soup, about 10 3/4 ounces, and 1 cup of water. Carefully open the can and pour all of its contents into a medium-sized saucepan. Then, add 1 full cup of fresh, cold water to the soup mixture in the pan. This ensures the perfect consistency and temperature for heating. To elevate your soup's flavor and texture, consider adding a few simple ingredients. Stir in about 1/4 cup of finely diced carrots. These will add a subtle sweetness and a pop of color. Next, incorporate 1/4 cup of frozen peas for a fresh, vibrant vegetable boost. Finally, a tiny pinch, about 1/8 teaspoon, of freshly ground black pepper will truly enhance the savory notes of your soup. Now, let's get to heating your delicious creation. Place the saucepan over medium heat on your stovetop. Stir the soup occasionally to ensure even heating and prevent sticking. Continue heating until it reaches a gentle simmer, which usually takes about 5 to 7 minutes. It is important not to boil the soup vigorously, as this can make the noodles mushy. Serve your perfectly heated soup immediately. To truly make this soup your own, consider some simple customizations. A sprinkle of fresh, chopped parsley or a dash of grated Parmesan cheese makes a wonderful garnish. If you desire extra protein, you can stir in a few shredded pieces of cooked chicken breast. This simple method transforms a basic canned soup into a more satisfying and flavorful meal. Enjoy your comforting, homemade-style soup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.